Hey everybody, I'm back in the swing. Happy Saturday. Let's see. What did you get accomplished today? Tom and I were talking about how we get to the end of a day and we go, what did we actually do today? Where did the day go? And I know that we've been talking a lot about scheduling and how the schedules are all kind of messed up now that we're home. And we posted finally, thank you for being patient with me. I posted that video, that little workshop that I shot earlier in the week, just about tips and tricks for getting everybody kind of on the same page while we're home. And I want to encourage you that if you haven't watched it, that you make time to do it before you forget about it, only because we're really all struggling with how to adjust schedules, how to adjust our kids' schedules, how to adjust to other adults' schedules. And that one has a lot of tips and tricks in it. And there's no magic, guys. To me, the magic is I pulled it together. That's all. And thank goodness for YouTube tutorials, because I didn't even know how to do that really. But it was fun learning. I love that techie stuff. So I hope you had a great day. I hope that before the sun goes down today, you'll pick one thing, just pick one, that you can do in your life, around your house, in your room, with your bills, whatever it is. Pick one thing that you can finish, start to finish today. So by the time you put your feet up tonight, you feel like you had one thing that you accomplished. It's well worth it. Happy Saturday. See you tomorrow.